Hey there, I'm Gage, your trusty flow meter. At Brooks Instrument, we make sure Brooks devices perform like new. Unlike third-party calibration houses that service just about anything, we specialize in Brooks Instruments with factory-certified expertise you won't find anywhere else. What sets us apart from third-party calibration houses that service any instrument? Every repair from Brooks Instrument comes with a 12-month warranty and meets the same high-quality metrology standards as our original manufacturing process. We use only new factory-certified parts, giving your instruments a longer service life than generic third-party fixes. You'll receive the same certifications and approvals as your original manufactured devices. And finally, your mass flow controllers will be repaired in the right cleanroom environment to prevent contamination of these sensitive instruments. With service centers around the globe, we're always nearby. From our global headquarters in Hatfield, Pennsylvania, to Tokyo, Japan, and many places in between, our factory-trained teams provide expertise you won't find at generic calibration shops. We offer two ways for you to use our services. First, ship your device to us for calibration, reconfiguration, or full repair. Most standard calibrations are completed in just 5 days, then shipped back to you. Need an upgrade? We offer upgrades to current model revisions for older devices, as well as feature enhancements like the addition of biotech options packages to take the performance of your instrument to the next level. Every step is handled under factory-certified procedures, not something you get from a typical third-party shop. To use our factory service, simply visit the RMA portal on our website, where you can submit your request and get the details needed to ship your Brooks Instrument device to one of our 9 service centers. You may not know we also come to you. Our field service team provides in-situ calibrations, startup solutions, and training at your facility, virtually or on-site. You get factory expertise wherever your instruments are used. Our field service engineers come to your facility and service your instruments at a time that's convenient for you. We also offer certifications as well as failure analysis reports, ensuring your equipment is accurate and compliant. We also offer customizable service contracts tailored to your needs, with discounted pricing, priority scheduling, and peace of mind. A level of service you won't get from third-party providers. No matter where you are or what your needs may be, Brooks Instrument is here to support you with factory-certified expertise. Visit our website today to learn more or contact us for personalized solutions.